As a hardware manufacturer, we are a labor-intensive industry. Product production usually requires a large number of employees to perform manual operations, and often rely on familiar hands, heavy fixtures, and heavy work intensity for employees. Each process requires an employee to operate. In this context, we are actively promoting automation. The traditional old process of bending frame line requires 3 positions to complete. Automated equipment requires only 1 employee to drop materials. You can complete the work of 3 positions in 1 automatic line. The traditional and old craftsmanship of producing fried baskets requires 4 jobs. Now automated production lines require only 1 employee. Efficiency increased by 260%. In fryer-grade traditional old process, raw welding requires 2 positions to complete. The automated production line only needs an ordinary employee to put away the accessories. It can be welded automatically, efficiency increased by 280%.